time, but I'm back now with some new amazing videos. So make sure to hit that subscribe button because you won't want to miss out. Today I'll be showing you my back to school supplies. I'm going into 3rd grade and I'm so excited. This is one of the first things that they told us to bring. I bought it from Etsy from Jolie and Grace. And it's made in the US. It's really fast shipping. And the reason I love this is because it's kind of comfy. And this one reminds me of Saturn a little bit, and I love space. Here it's like rubberish but marble. And then here, this is rubberish, and it's like bluish, greenish, and then here's a wooden ball. Here I have sharpened pencils. These are sharpener number 2 pencils. I love these because they're sharpened and they make your life easier. And here I have pink erasers, and they want us to get pink erasers because it like makes the paper cleaner. And then here I have some crayons. I bought these because I thought that we were going to be doing like a lot of coloring. So yeah. So here I have some twistable color pencils, Crayola. And last year they kept on breaking a lot. So this year we're gonna take another shot, but if they don't work out, my mom will get me colored pencils. And here I have a pencil case, and this one's super cute. I got it from Target, but I want something nicer. So my mom at Madewell, they were on this super sale and they had this, and I love it because it has like hand painted stripes. It's really nice, and I don't know if you could see or not, but inside it has like a little pocket, and then it has other pockets here on the other side, and I love that because you could store a lot of stuff like erasers. I got this from San Francisco in Nordstrom, and they had this, and why I love it is because look, they could fold out into super tiny and could fit like everywhere, and they're really cute. And here you see, and they're really nice. And they could fold up, and hold on, let me just get it to work. There we go. And then just fold it. And then done. Here I have some composition notebooks, and I bought these from Target, and they have really cute ones. So here I love this one because it has like watercolor effect, you know? Here, there. Okay, and then here I love this one because it's like metallic-y, and I love that, and has like a whole bunch of different colors. And here this reminds me of Kate Spade, and I love her stuff. So yeah, and I love black and white and gold. Those are like one of my favorite colors. And then here hold on. Okay, I have these folders. And make sure that you get the plastic ones and don't get the paper ones because that will last you all year. And I had to get the green and purple ones. And yeah, and then here I have some scissors. And these scissors are great, but they're just like plain. But here, make sure that they say true lefty blades if you're lefty. If you're not lefty, make sure that they say righty, because then if you get the righty ones and you're a lefty, it'll be all wonky to cut. Here, just the basic things, which is our school told us to get neon cardstock, and that the teacher just needs that. And then here's some printer paper, letter printer paper. And then here's some Expo markers, and our teacher like always runs out, and she has to get a bunch of those, so yeah. And then here's some Ziploc bag just in case we need to take little things home. And then here I get the jumbo glue sticks because the little ones run out always, so that's why the school tells us to bring jumbo glue sticks. And then here some Scotch tape. And my teacher, you can never tape too many things. And then here is some index cards, and our teacher just tells us to bring them. And lastly, I have my Stranger Things backpack. I love this backpack because it's Stranger Things, and this is season 3, so that's why it says summer of '85. And here it has Stranger Things at the top, Scoops Ahoy's an ice cream shop, the Lifeguard Hawkins Pool, which is in Indiana. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed my 3rd grade back back to school haul video. I will mention below where I got my school supplies in case you were wondering. If you like this video, make sure to give us a thumbs up and comment below what grade you're going to. See you soon. Bye.